The Air Force Technology Transfer Program helps move important new technologies from Air Force research centers into the private sector, where they can benefit the U.S. military and American economy. This is the story of one of them. The mission of the Training Device Design and Engineering Center at Vandenberg Air Force Base is to build training and educational devices such as exact scale models of satellites for the space and missile community.
We're a full fabrication shop with full design and engineering capabilities. It's a small 5-man shop that can do almost anything.
In the early 2000s, as part of an Air Force operational risk assessment, Dell Barritt examined the risks involved in using oxyacetylene carts for welding.
The key issues was the high pressure gas only being held into the cart by a single chain. And if it fell out of the cart, then you've got a high speed gas escaping from the bottle and you have a missile going through your shop.
So Barritt and his team of engineers set about redesigning and building a user-safe and practical oxyacetylene cart.
We have mechanically fastened the tanks into the cart, so you could literally tip this upside down and the bottles cannot fall out. We removed the regulators and put them up front. We added a firewall in between because you have a flammable gas and a high pressure oxygen tank. There's 2,000 psi in there.
In addition, they added a retractable hose, a place to keep tools, store bottle caps, and added a fire extinguisher.
The whole thing is on 4 wheels and with locking casters.
Their design won a Best Practice Award. Then Barritt set about getting it patented.
They sent me to a patent attorney at Kirkland Air Force Base in New Mexico. And then he provided the AFI, or the written guidance on how this is done. And that started the ball rolling.
With a patent in place and with help from TechLink, a DoD partnership intermediary, a small company in rural Montana, Spica Design and Manufacturing, licensed the cart for manufacture and sale in the commercial marketplace, naming it the Gas Guardian.
It fit our product line. Our primary wheelhouse is in elevated work platforms, but we also offer a number of ancillary products for aviation maintenance. And this is one of those things that kind of fits in with that.
It also fits well with the employee skill set needed to undertake the custom manufacturing required.
Basically, we're set up for, custom product in our shop. A lot of our people are, rural America, growing up on farms. A lot of the experiences that you learn on the farm are part of manufacturing.
We're up to about 60 employees now, which is getting to be a bit of an economic driver in a community of 6,500 people. We're paying a wage that you can support a family. You can be buying a home.
75% of Spica's sales have been to the military, but the company has sold Gas Guardian carts to aerospace companies and into the broader commercial market as well.
We've got a bakery, a big company, it's probably one of the biggest bakeries in the United States, that's bought a number of them.
Let's see if she fires.
Through the use of technology transfer, the Gas Guardian, created by the TDDEC team at Vandenberg Air Force Base, has set a new standard for safety in oxyacetylene welding. That success is inspiring further efforts to develop and transfer useful technologies.
By the nature of our work, we're innovating and designing every day. So there's lots of stuff we come up with that could be shared and be useful to other people.
Air Force Technology Transfer, improving safety for military personnel and in the civilian workplace. For more information, contact the Air Force Technology Transfer Program.